Hello, are you ready to line dance? Hi, my name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Rock City's Call. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always click on these videos. Give me a thumbs up. You have subscribed and you always share these videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate your support. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance along with the music, you gotta watch till the end and click right here. So guys, this dance is a one wall dance and there's only two parts. Only two parts, and I'm gonna give you the step-by-step instruction. Let's go. Okay, so the first step is you're gonna do at all four walls. So we do a travel step, but when you step on the right, you're just gonna hold it a little bit. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So step on the right, right, behind step, step, behind step. 5, 6, 7, step right. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step right. Left, right, left, right, left. From here, go into a salsa step. 1, 2, back, 3, and 4. Out and up on the right and the left. Out and up, out and up. You're going to kick forward, kick right, left, step right, pivot quarter. That's the part you're going to do at all four walls. So let's do it here. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That's that travel step, and you're holding on that right. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Salsa 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Up and out and up. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Kick. 5, 6, pivot. 7, 8. Step pivot right, pivot quarter left. So this part here is part 1, and you're going to do the same thing on all four walls. Step on that right and hold. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Salsa 5, and 6. Back 7, and 8. Out and up. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Kicking forward. 5, 6. Step right, pivot quarter. To your left. You're looking back at the camera. We're going to do that same thing, that travel step. Step on that right and hold. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Salsa 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Out and up. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. Kicking. 5, 6, step 7, pivot 8. That's all of part 1. Okay? Now part 2, you're going to do at the front and back wall. It's 2 rotations and you end on the 3rd rotation doing part 1. But there's no changes, no tags, no bridges in this wall, in this dance. So we shuffle to the right. 1 and 2. Then we slow it down. Behind, step, cross, tap out on the right, cross, tap out on the left. This step here is brilliant. I like the way that they put this step together. You do a shuffle. 1 and 2, then travel. 3, 4. Behind, side, cross, tap, cross on the left, tap out on the right, cross left, tap out on the left. Cross right, tap out on the left. Again, shuffle to the right, right, left, right. Side, behind side, left cross, tap, right cross, tap. From here, you're going to go into a basic. Left, right, left, right, easy. Left, tap, right. And you guessed it. We're going to do this part on the front and back wall. So we shuffle to the right. 1 and 2, travel. 3, 4, cross, 5, tap, 6, cross, 7, tap, 8. on the left. 1 and 2, right, 3 and 4. Easy. Left, right, left, tap on the right. And we go back to the top. Is that clever? Let's do that again. Shuffle 1 and 2. Then you slow it down with the travel steps. Step behind, side, cross left, tap right, cross right, tap left. Then you go into basic. Left, right, right, easy. Left, right, right. No triple step. Okay? Shuffle to the right, right, left, right. Travel behind, side, cross. Right, left over right, and tap left. Tap right, right over left, and tap left. Basic, left, right, right, left, right, left, right. Easy with your shoulder coming back, half turn, left, tap right. Now, you're going to do that on the front and the back wall. So part 1, you do it 4 times, all 4 walls, moving counterclockwise. And we're going to put those 2 together, then into part 2, front and back wall. Remember, just holding on that right with that travel step. Let's take it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8 is 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Salsa. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Out and up on the right and left. 2, 3, and 4. Kick. 5, 6, step 7, pivot 8. Travel. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Salsa. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Out and up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Kick. 5, 6, step 7, pivot 8. It's 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Salsa. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Out and up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Kick. 5, 6, pivot 7, 8. Travel. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Salsa. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Out and up. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Kick. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right. 1 and 2. Travel 3, 4. Cross 5. Tap 6. Cross 7. Tap 8. Basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Easy. 5, 6, 7. Tap 8. Shuffle 1 and 2. Travel 3, 4. Cross 5. Tap 6. Cross 7. Tap 8. Basic 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Easy. 5, 6, 7, 8. And you go back to the top. It's called Rock City's Call. It is a 1-wall dance. Give me a comment. Let me know what you think. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Let's dance together.